Ever feel like your job search is just all over the place? You're firing off applications into the dark, kind of hoping something sticks? Yeah, you're definitely not alone. But honestly, a messy approach just doesn't work. So in this session, we're going to change that. We are going to stop guessing and start mapping. Let's build a real, direct path to your next job. Ready? Let's get into it.
Okay, let's get real for a second. Here's the bottom line. Employers hire for results. That's it. And to prove you can deliver those results, a CV just isn't enough. What you really need is a plan, a clear, intentional route that takes you from where you are today right to their doorstep. It's time to turn all that job search chaos into crystal clear career clarity. So how do we actually build that route? Well, we've got an amazing tool for that, and it's called the Career Map. I want you to think of this as your personal blueprint for success. It's designed to guide you step by step through the LTMA placement pipeline. And that's just our way of saying it's the process we use to connect awesome people like you with fantastic employers. The map makes the whole journey logical, actionable, and way less confusing. And you know what? The real magic of the career map is just how simple it is. We're not talking about some massive 20-page document that you'll write once and then shove in a drawer. No way. This is a one-page flowchart. It's a visual guide that lays out every single step from where you're starting to where you want to end up. When you can see your whole path on one page, it just clicks. It's easier to follow and feels so much less overwhelming. I love this way of thinking about it. Imagine your career is a plane, and you're the pilot. You wouldn't just hop into the cockpit, take off, and hope you end up somewhere good, right? Of course not. You'd have a flight plan. You'd know your starting airport, your destination, and all the waypoints in between. Well, your career map, that is your flight plan. Without it, you're just flying blind. Okay, let's get practical. Every journey and every map has a starting point and a destination. So that's where we'll begin. Let's define exactly where you're taking off from and where you're headed. First things first, let's nail down your starting point. That's the current status box. And I want you to be really honest and thorough here. List your education, any certifications you have, and all of your relevant experience. And hey, even if it's informal, put it down. Then we're going to jump all the way to the end, your destination. In that target role section, I want you to identify up to 3 specific job titles that really get you excited, jobs that you can actually see yourself doing. And now for a super important pro tip. Please, don't just pick a job title because it sounds cool. You've got to do your homework. What are the actual entry requirements for that job? Like, for real. If it needs a specific certification to even get your foot in the door, you need to know that. And that info goes straight into your skills needed column. Seriously, this step is absolutely non-negotiable if you want a plan that actually works. Okay, so we have our start and we have our finish. But how do we connect the dots? Look, almost nobody jumps straight from where they are now to their ultimate dream job. It just doesn't happen that way. You need stepping stones. We call these bridge roles, and they're what connect your present to your future. Here's a perfect example of what I mean. Let's say your big goal is to become a site electrician apprentice. Great, but if you're just leaving school, a really smart bridge role would be something like a general laborer on a construction site. Why? Because that gets you that all-important on-site experience. It puts you in the right place, talking to the right people to actually land that apprenticeship. See how those middle steps make the final goal feel so much more possible? Right, a map with just a start and an end isn't very useful, is it? We need the details. We need to fill in the stuff that makes this plan something you can actually do. We're talking about the specific skills you need to learn, the local employers who can help you, and a realistic timeline to get it all done. So let's break it down. In the skills and certifications column, I want you to list everything you need. Things like basic electrical safety or how to use a multimeter. Then, for local employers, do your research. Name specific Namibian companies that could be a good fit, like the Tsumeb municipality or local mining firms. And finally, the timeline. Give yourself a realistic number of months for each step. This is what makes the plan real. It becomes something tangible you can actually be held accountable to. You know, the best plans aren't just about wishful thinking. They're realistic. A really strong map actually thinks about what could go wrong before it happens. So now it's time to get honest with ourselves. What are the roadblocks that might pop up and get in your way? And here's the key. You have to be proactive. For every single barrier you can think of, you also need to come up with a practical solution, a mitigation. So if funding for training is a problem, your solution is to research LTMA's funding partners. If you don't have transport, maybe you can arrange a carpool with some classmates.
Thinking about this stuff now doesn't mean it's going to happen. It just means you'll be prepared if it does. A plan that's ready for problems is a plan that's going to work.
So, once you've filled in every box, every column, your career map is done. But this isn't just some homework assignment. This single piece of paper is now the bedrock, the foundation for your entire 6-week action plan. It's literally your guide for everything we're going to do next.
And just so you know, when you submit your map, here's what we'll be looking at. First, completeness. Did you fill everything out? Second, clarity. Does your path make logical sense? Then there's realism. Are your timelines and goals actually achievable? And finally, actionality. Can you take a clear first step? This is how we make sure your map isn't just a dream, but a plan you can actually follow. All right, time for action. Here are your next steps, plain and simple. First, finalize your career map using everything we just talked about. Second, save it as a single-page PDF. And third, make sure you upload it to the LMS before our live workshop. This map is basically your entry ticket to building a seriously powerful 6-week action plan with us. So the planning part, that's done. You have your blueprint. Now there's only one question left. Are you ready to pick up the tools and actually start building your future? Remember, we are here to help you every single step of the way. Let's take this map you've created and turn it into a real career. It all starts now. Let's get you hire ready.